Now we're ready to add the legs. This is another part where we're probably going to want to use the additional clay that we have set aside. And we want to make sure that as we're adding things, we might be changing the shape of our frog. So we've got to keep coming back and correcting those shapes because, like I said, he's going to start drying. So what we'll do is we'll take that extra clay and we're going to break it in two and we're going to flatten it out. So we're prepping it. It's already been prepped, but we're going to make sure that it's not too dry. And we're going to add it just about that amount. We're going to add it underneath. Since we want to have a nice flat surface for the bottom of our frog, we want to make sure that that blends in well. And what we're going to do is we're going to give him very dramatic feet. 3 big toes coming off. And we can do that by just pressing in and sculpting out. And once we've applied the foot, we can start adding the water or smoothing out to make sure that his feet are sturdy. We want to make sure that he's on the flat surface while we're doing this so that we know that he will eventually, when he's dry, sit nice and flat. And we'll just shape him out just like that.